Namaskara. Welcome you all to the Noopurabhramari academic courses. I am Dr. Manorama, Principal, Trustee, Convener and Editor to this institution and research journal. Now I would like to introduce one of our faculty, Mr. Arjun Bharadhwaj from Bangalore, who is poet, scholar and writer. Now he is explaining about our courses in detail. Over to Arjun.
Namaste everyone. The Noopurabhramari is an organization committed for teaching, learning and the propagation of the theory and practice of the Natyashastra. The Natyashastra, like we all know, is the foundational text for all performing arts of India. India meaning the Bruhat Bharata, the greater Indian subcontinent. All the art forms can trace their roots to the Natyashastra. The chapter on the rasas, which is present in the Natyashastra, is kind of the heart of the Natyashastra. And any artist in the world, whether he practices Indian art or Western art or whatever form of art it may be, can benefit a lot from the theory of rasa by understanding, by introspecting upon the theory of rasa. Similarly, the story of the creation of Natya and the manner in which it came down to earth are both very metaphorical chapters of the Natyashastra, understanding which we can become better artists. Moreover, the Natyashastra, like Bharata himself says, not only trains the artist, but it also trains the connoisseur. So therefore, if you want to understand any of the classical forms of art in a deeper manner, if you want to understand the layered structure of an art form, if you want to understand the intricacies of an art form, or to put it in simple terms, if you want to understand how to appreciate the beauty in any form of art around the world, then the Natyashastra can be the single source of reference for all of these pursuits. The Noopurabhramari offers theory classes on the Natyashastra at several levels, at the beginner level, at the intermediate level, and at the advanced level. The medium of instruction can be English or Kannada. So at the beginner level, we cover only a glimpse of the different elements, the different themes that come as a part of the Natyashastra. At the intermediate level, the teacher, the tutor dwells deeper into the aspects of rasa and bhava. At the advanced level, there will be textual reading of the Natyashastra along with Abhinava Bharati. If people who have some Sanskrit background can choose to have a cover-to-cover textual reading of the Natyashastra itself, so Bharata's shlokas along with Abhinava Bharati will be detailedly dealt with if you have some amount of Sanskrit background. If you don't have any Sanskrit background, that also doesn't matter. You can just choose to have the lectures only in English or in the Kannada language. So these are the multiple options available in the Noopurabhramari for the Natyashastra course. While these are the theoretical aspects, there are classes offered by the Noopurabhramari also on the practical aspects, especially for the dancers. The movement vocabulary or the Angika Abhinaya, the chapters on the Angika Abhinaya, which come as a part of the Natyashastra, are all encompassing. It's like a superset out of which all the different kinds of movements possible in a theater art or in drama or in dance can be derived out of. In other words, the Natyashastra gives a universal set of movements, out of which different movements vocabulary of different forms of dance, different forms of drama can be derived. So the practical classes also can be very useful, especially for dancers, Indian classical dancers, or even for Western classical dancers. Anybody who is interested in the theoretical or the practical aspect of the Natyashastra, kindly get in touch with Noopurabhramari. Namaste.